Yeah, so for me, I really wanted to find community here at Oxy with people who were like me. And like when I was younger, being Asian was something that I was only very loud and proud about at home. And I think having a space where I can do that at college, like in a bigger setting, is something that feels really liberating, where I can share my culture with the world and people who want to learn about it. Hi, we're here with APIDAA today, decorating our car for the homecoming car parade. We're super excited to be doing it because this is our first year participating since we're a relatively new club, but we hope our design will come out really well and that we can represent our culture in the parade.
All right, and behind them we have APIDAA! Let's give it up for APIDAA, everybody!
I feel like this community is I feel very like warm and like appreciated and accepted in this community. I kind of feel like everyone in this like club kind of has my back. So I'm really glad I joined APIDAA.
We're about to start our late night with APIDAA event featuring Sierra Cato.
Hello everybody!
We will be having Sierra perform some stand-up, and then we'll have a little interview portion and then a Q&A to talk more about APIDAA identifying women in the entertainment industry.
Welcome, keep an eye out.
So in preparation for our event tonight, we did a collaboration drink with the green bean, and it's a Yuanyang tea, which is Hong Kong milk tea mixed with coffee, so you get like the sweetness of the brown sugar syrup with like the coffee taste. It's really good.
I just hope that like APIDAA continues to be like a solace for students on campus, like a community that they can always feel at home in or find comfort in.
It's been such an amazing experience with APIDAA, and I look forward to so many memories with the community for the rest of my time here at Oxy.